Okay, so this is a POLO mk6, so a 6th generation POLO, and the windshield wipers work, both the front and the back, but the jet doesn't work, so the water pump doesn't seem to be working. If I actuate it, nothing happens. The water pump is somewhere here, but it doesn't turn on, so it's most likely a fuse. So let's test it out. Also, the jets don't work here either, and there's no sound from the pump. So let's try it out. So we'll put our ignition on, and we're gonna try and use the pump and the windshield wipers. See, like they work, but there's no sound from the pump as it's working. Now I'm pulling on the lever now. Okay, so let's hope it's the fuse, because the pump is not easily accessible. You have to remove the inner fender to access it. That's not easy. Let's check the fuses. First, let's turn off the ignition, and the ignition box is here. So you just pull on this thing, on this panel, and it comes out like that. Okay, so we have the fuse box here, the inner fuse box. There's one more in the engine bay. So I've researched, and in the fuse diagram in the book that came with the car, it doesn't tell me where the fuse for the little pump is. But after some research, I think it's this one. So it's this one. So the 7.5 one. Let's test it out. So let's pull it out. As you can see, it's blown. If you want the fuse for the washer jets, it's this one. Okay, let's get a new fuse. So it's the 7.5 amp one. It says 7.5 on it. Let's install it. Hold it back here. Let's put the panel back on. Let's test it out. And now we're gonna pull on the lever, and yay, it works. So if the water jets don't work, that's the fix. It's very easy. It's just, I don't know why the fuse diagram doesn't show you the fuse. So that's stupid. I'm glad it worked. Hope it helps. Bye.